Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bintang Sari from class 10 IPA 4. In this video, I will describe the natural tourism of Jagir Waterfall in the Kemiren area. Jagir Waterfall, which is located in the Kemiren area. The entry ticket is only 5,000 rupiah. To a tourist spot requires a fairly long road. The route taken is quite far. A glimpse of the initial scan after traveling a long way from the counter. This place is very beautiful for a photo spot with your friend and family. There is also a shelter here. Can be used to take shelter and relax while enjoying the beauty of the waterfall. Here too many people sell food and drinks. This tourist spot is very cool and nice to make a vacation. Don't forget to visit here. So, many video description from me. Hopefully you will get a lesson from the video that I described.